Now we will teach you the masters you need to create before going to enter any of your accounting datas. Click on the accounts tree to create, view and/or modify the ledger accounts details. Click on the plus sign to expand the group and view the ledger accounts. You can also rename the group and/or ledger accounts here. Click on the transaction details to view all the transactions in a particular ledger account. Click on the ledger account now to display the transactions details. Click on any transactions to zoom and view the details. You can modify or delete this voucher and save. Click on the ledger account you would like to move to another group. Press and hold the left mouse key. Now drag and drop it to any other group you like. Click on New Group to create a group. Type the new group name you want to create. Select the parent group name for the new group you are creating. Select the account type for the new group you are creating. Click and hold the mouse key. Now drag and drop the 7 accounts to the new group you have created. Click on the Merge Accounts to merge 2 or more ledger accounts. Click on the type to select the type of accounts you wanted to merge. Click on the ledger account and make sure a tick mark appears on the account you have selected. Click on forward arrow key to move the selected ledger accounts to merge ledger windows. Now select the ledger account where you would like the accounts selected in the merge ledger windows to be merged. Click here if you want the merged accounts to be deleted after merger. Click here now to merge. This action can't be undone if you click here. Click on the accounts group to select. Now we will teach you how to delete a group. Move any ledger accounts under the group you want to delete. Now right click your mouse. Click on delete, which will remove the group permanently. Click on the ledger accounts or group and right click the mouse. Now click on the rename to change name of the selected ledger accounts or group. Click on the undo last move if you want to remove the last change you have done. You can see now the Peter Marketing account you moved to Advanced to Staff group now has changed back to its original group. Click on the Add Ledger Accounts to add a new ledger accounts. Now we will teach you how to edit or create a ledger accounts. Select the ledger account which required to be amended. If you want to change the name of the ledger account, you can retype the name here. If you want to change any other details, you can do so by changing them, and then click on Save and Next. Now you are seeing only the accounts under Selling Expenses head. To view all accounts, click on Show All. Click on New to create a new ledger account. Select the group head under which you would like to create the ledger account. Type the name of the ledger account you would like to create. Select the bill wise if you would like to maintain all transaction details. Click here to save the ledger account. You can view here the new account you have created. Click on Edit to change the ledger account's details. Click here if you want to make the account inactive. Click here if you want to make the account to accept foreign currency. Click on Save and Close to accept the changes in the ledger account. Now we will teach you how to create or edit document numbering system. You can view all available document numbering here. Click on New to create new document numbering. You need to create document numbering system for all documents type shown here. By default the system will create document numbering system for all documents type shown here. The system will not create if you have selected your account's creation from scratch. Now we will create document numbering system for sales order documents. Click and select sales order. Enter the description for the sales order numbering system you are creating. Click and select numbering method for the sales order you are creating. Numbering method can be manual or automatic. In manual you need to enter the number manually when you entering the transaction. In automatic numbering method, you can set your different type of preference for the numbering method. If you require you can enter a prefix and or a suffix. This is optional, but you need to specify the start number for the system to commence the number. The last number saved by the system will be displayed here. Click Save and next to save the numbering system. You can now see the numbering system you have created here. Select the sales invoice type by clicking here. We will teach you now how to remove the numbering system created. Select the sales invoice type you would like to delete by clicking here. Click Delete to remove the voucher numbering system. Click New to create a fresh voucher number system. Click and select the sales invoice. Click and type the description for the sales invoice. Numbering method can be manual or automatic. In manual you need to enter the number for every transactions. In automatic numbering method you can set your preference for the numbering method. Prefix and suffix are optional, but you need to specify the start number here. You need to specify the maximum number of digits for your numbering system. You will be able to view the sample numbering at the bottom of the window. You have to specify the start and end date for the numbering system here. You need to specify the ledger account name for the particular sales invoice type. Now the ledger account is selected. Once you select the ledger accounts for one type of numbering system, the same ledger accounts will not be available for creation of another type of numbering system in the same period. Now save and close to complete the new numbering system. Matrix Accounting supports foreign currency transactions and you will be able to use multi-currency in your accounting. Click here to create or edit currency type. If you have created the accounts from our standard chart of accounts, then all the currency available in the world will be displayed here. Only the first few currency appears is kept active. If you need more currency, then open the relevant currency window and click on Active. You can click Edit if you would like to change any details in the selected currency. You can make the currency active or inactive by clicking in the Inactive column. Click on New to create a new currency, and enter all the information listed here to create a new currency, then click Save and Close. If you would like to use the cash balance declaration features, then you should click and enter all your home currency denominations. You can click on Edit to amend any available currency denominations, or add a new one. With this you have finished learning about creating ledger accounts, document numbering methods, and foreign currency.